We're here with Dr. Gene Messenger, and he just did a C2F double arch on a young patient. Doc, what was your experience today with the first CHROME case that you did?
To be honest, it was amazing. Everything just went to perfection. As long as you follow their protocol and make sure the first thing is down all the way, everything just worked out perfect. I'm definitely going to be working with CHROME again, and I'm definitely going to be working with Thomas again. I would definitely encourage anybody that are going to get involved in this, definitely make sure that Thomas is there to guide your hand. I've done cases like this before, but without question, this was the easiest one that I've done. And we did a dual arch, and we got them both done today. And the patient's very happy, and I'm very, very excited about doing more of these with CHROME.
Well, we appreciate your business. We appreciate that you had a good time.
Yep.
And we look forward, I hear that you have 3 more cases in the pipeline.
Yep.
And we look forward to coming out to North Adams and doing these cases with you.
Yep.
So thank you for using Roe, and keep on doing CHROME.
Thank you, Thomas, for everything. It was amazing.
Absolutely.
Best experience.
Thank you.
All right.